Do you want to learn how to enable or disable trending videos on Bluesky Social? In this video, I'm going to help solve that problem. So recently, Bluesky introduced this feature where you have these videos that displayed on your Discover page, on your home page, and maybe you do not want this to be displayed. You want to not have these videos displayed on your home page. So to disable this, click on Settings on the left-hand side, or if you are visiting it via an app on your mobile, you'll find these three lines on the top left corner. Click on it and then go to Settings. Now inside Settings, you're going to find Content and Media. Click on it. Now inside here, you will see this, Enable Trending Topics and Enable Trending Videos in your Discover feed. We're going to disable this by clicking over here. And now you're not going to find trending videos in your Discover feed. So let's go back to home page and refresh it. And that's it. You're not going to find any more videos on your Discover feed. Did this video help solve your problem? Let me know with a like and comment.